It's now time to board to North Macedonia.
We will see in Nigeria.
Yes. This is a city of traffic.
It's beginning to give some horror movie vibes.
I think this is where I stop.
This is day 5 of a travel adventure I embarked upon to visit a different country every day for 7 days. After starting the journey in Lagos on the first day, my travels have taken me across Sarajevo and Mostar in Bosnia, all the way to Kotor in Montenegro, where I got on a cable car, then to Tirana in Albania, where I experienced the longest zip line in Eastern Europe. I continued my adventure on day 4 with a road trip from Tirana, Albania to Prizren in Kosovo, but could not complete the trip because I was denied entry into Kosovo at the border, forcing me to make a return to Tirana. The various adventures of day 1 to day 4 are available in other separate videos, and I strongly recommend that you watch them all if you are yet to do so. In this video, I'm attempting to find my way into North Macedonia's capital city of Skopje in my desire to see and showcase the Matka Canyon for the breathtaking beauty that it is, while also exploring the rich history of the country. Keep watching to see how the adventure unfolds, and I hope it inspires you to embark on that trip you have always wanted to make. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that you never miss any of my travel adventure videos. I set out a little over an hour past midnight to begin the adventure of day 5. I took a short walk from my hotel to the airport to catch a flight from Tirana to Belgrade, from where I would be taking another flight to Skopje.
It's day 5 of our 7 days adventure. We are here in Tirana, Albania, and we are trying to find our way to North Macedonia via Serbia. Luckily for us, we've checked in, we have our boarding passes, and we'll try to go through security. So let's go. Follow me on this adventure.
I cleared security after check-in and wandered around the airport boarding area till it was time to fly.
So this is arrival in Belgrade, Serbia for a quick stopover before heading to North Macedonia. I was thinking of going into the city, but it appears there's nothing much to do in the morning until later in the evening. So I decided, well, let's just come to the transfer area. I'm here seated and probably I'll just crash on the chair. So I'll keep you posted. Maybe after sleeping for an hour or 2 here undisturbed, I will be back.
My layover in Belgrade was not really spectacular. I dozed off on the chair like a log of wood while dreaming of a hot shower and a warm meal.
Hey guys, at the airport in Belgrade, trying to get some work done, and I was able to catch a little nap for like 2 hours. I lay down on this chair, I lay down flat. Well, let's keep going. It's now time to board to North Macedonia. Just got into the bus that's taking us to the plane. Journey to Macedonia begins.
I was so happy to finally board the Skopje bound plane, and I couldn't wait to see what life felt like in North Macedonia.
Just arrived North Macedonia at the Skopje International Airport. Cleared immigrations, one of the fastest ever. So let's explore the country. So I'm at the airport here and I'm thinking maybe it's best for me to rent a car. Considering all of the places I want to explore in Skopje, having a car may be my best option, but let's see if I can find one. Hello, afternoon. Can I rent a car?
For how many days you need the car?
24 hours.
You want to get the car right now?
Yes, I'm in Skopje for just 1 day, and I'm thinking it's best for me to have a car. So for the first time on our 7 days adventure, I'm renting a car, and it's like 52 euros with a €100 deposit. So just thought to mention.
I did not specify if I wanted a manual car or an automatic one, so I couldn't blame them for assuming I'm the kind of guy who could handle a manual car like they do in a Fast and Furious movie.
Okay, so guys, I just picked up the car. I'm going to be with this little baby boy for the next 24 hours. So come on, let's go enjoy Skopje, North Macedonia, guys. Well, my manual driving skills are not as bad as I thought. Struggling though, but I wish it was automatic so I don't have to think about the clutch. Well, almost at the accommodation. So we keep going. So I require a code to open this front entrance door. Let's see if my memory serves me well. Yeah! I am at apartment number 1. Apartment number 1 also has a code to get in. Okay. My accommodation was pretty decent, but I wasn't going to be indoors enough to enjoy everything the apartment had to offer. So here is the bed, king-sized bed. Have some towels, and as usual, a mirror. A safe is present. I think we even have slides prepared for me. And another wardrobe. Extra clothes. I think there's a pressing iron just down there. And from here you can see what the street looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. We're about to set out right now to the very first place I would like to see here in North Macedonia, Skopje, and that is the Matka Canyon and the Matka Lake. So I've heard a lot of beautiful things about that place, that it's so beautiful, and it's like a 40 minutes drive, but we'll start the drive right now. I want to get there before it's dark, so let's go there quickly and see what it looks like. Apparently this is a city of traffic. Right now I'm stuck in traffic and it's showing like extra 5 minutes delay. Well, we'll have to drive through traffic to get to wherever we are going. After driving for like 40 minutes, I just arrived at the Matka Lake, and I'll just take a look at what it looks like.
Lake Matka is the oldest artificial lake in North Macedonia, with a reservoir that was built in 1938. The lake is surrounded by lush vegetation and towering cliffs that gives it a breathtaking view, in addition to its function in hydroelectric power generation and irrigation. I took a walk around the lake for a while before heading to the canyon from which it was created.
Okay, I think I've had enough here. It's beginning to give some horror movie vibes. So I have to start heading back to where I started off from. But looks like a very nice place, and I would encourage you, visit North Macedonia, come to Matka, and you will enjoy it. A very good view, I must say. Probably I should have come much earlier than this, but this is all the time we have, so we have to do what we have to do.
The Matka Canyon is a large gorge carved out by the Treska River, spanning a length of 5 kilometers with depths reaching 100 meters. The canyon's walls feature stunning rock formations with the river Treska flowing in between, creating a picturesque landscape. Visitors to the Matka Canyon can paddle down the Treska River on canoes and kayaks, while experienced rock climbers often take the walls as a thrilling challenge. The Matka Canyon features a very long hiking trail, which I attempted to walk on this visit, but it soon proved to be an audacious task that wasn't obviously in my best interest at this time of the night.
Oh wow, I'm wondering how far does this trail lead into the canyon. The time is almost
6:30 p.m. and I'm thinking, should I go back? Should I stop? Or should I keep going? Well, this is a beauty that I can't just turn back on. Let me go a few more miles on the trail. This doesn't look like there's an end in sight anytime soon. It's so dark. It's so dark, I can barely see. This is amazing.
The Matka Canyon is home to the Vrelo cave, which is one of the longest in Europe, but it was quite unfortunate that I couldn't see it on this trip. There are also ancient monasteries within the Matka Canyon, but time wasn't on our side to visit any of them.
I think this is where I stop. I'm panting, and if I keep going, I can imagine how much energy I need to get back. Probably I should have gone on a boat ride all through the canyon, and maybe that would have made it easy for me. But I was thinking of doing it the adventurous way. But right now, I am tired. I've not had any food to eat all day just because my activities happened in the way I did not plan. But maybe I will find something to eat here before I continue the adventure.
I settled for dinner at the Matka Canyon and took in the views while I ate.
Okay, we're having dinner in Matka, pasta with salmon. Let's give it a try, and we head back to Skopje to see other things tonight. So let's dine.
I made some new friends at the Matka Restaurant, helping me to accomplish one of the reasons I embarked on the travel adventure in the first place.
Okay, so decided to have dinner here at the Matka Restaurant, and I met a very wonderful lady and her young son, and we'll be having some of the very best interactions, and I just felt it was important to maybe show her face and her son's face and let them just say one or two things about the interactions we've had so far and their travel experiences. So say hello and introduce yourself.
Hi, hello, I'm Alex from Germany, and it was amazing to meet up here, and it's always good to find like-minded spirits, and we all like to travel. Cheers.
Okay, and the young man.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Fritz from Germany. I think it's very nice to travel, so yeah, it's always nice to meet people that have the same idea.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 13, so yeah, I'm not really good at traveling yet, but I've been in very many countries, so
Okay,
yes.
that's good. So tell people to subscribe to my channel.
Yes, subscribe to
Suleiman Anero.
Suleiman Anero.
My name is Zoran. I'm from Macedonia. I'm working in Canyon Matka Restaurant. I'm with my friend from Nigeria, and I like to live in Nigeria.
Okay.
I will come there.
So when he comes to Nigeria, we'll make sure we give him the very best and wonderful experience. Nice to meet you, my brother.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
We will see you in Nigeria.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Bye.
Have a nice night. Bye-bye.
What a wonderful time I had at the Matka Lake and Canyon, meeting awesome people, and I have to drive all the way back to Skopje now. It's like 35 minutes drive. It's a dark drive and all, but hopefully I'll drive safe. So let's keep going.
I'm happy this visit to North Macedonia has helped me to overcome the disappointment of not getting into Kosovo on day 4. We have now successfully completed 5 days of the 7 days adventure, and the feeling is surreal. I can't wait to show you what happened in day 6. Please subscribe to the channel right away, give the video a like, and proceed to the very next video where an amazing story awaits you. Thank you very much for embarking on this journey with me so far. See you in the next one, and bye for now.